Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about the use and the purpose of teardrops in PCB design. In PCB design, the main function of a teardrop is to add a small X-shape, a copper transition at the junction between a pad and a trace. This strengthens the mechanical structure between the pad and the trace, making the connection more reliable, while also improving signal integrity. We all know that once copper pore is complex on a PCB, the blank areas are filled with copper. For example, on my board here, the GND network area is completely filled, but if you look closely, you'll see the junction between pads and the corner ports are still connected through fine traces. At this point, if the board is exposed to heat for a long period of time, or subject to mechanical stress, cracks or breaks may occur. This is where teardrops come in. By adding them, we create a smooth transition zone between the pad and the trace. This makes the copper connection stronger, reducing the risk of breaks caused by soldering expansion and contraction, or physical stress on the board. From a signal integrity perspective, teardrops also help smooth out sharp transitions, reducing impedance discontinuities and ensuring more stable signal transmission. Now let's go through the actual operation. In the PCB actor, open the teardrop tool from the toolbar. Once selected, the software will automatically detect all junctions between pads and traces. You can then add teardrop to all of these boards at once. In the setting panel, you can choose the shape of the teardrop. I recommend using the X shape because it creates a more natural transition and looks more visually appealing. Once the shape is selected, click Add and then Apply. Alright, let's go back to the PCB view and check the result. You'll notice that at every junction, there's now a small X-shaped copper extension, almost like a tiny water droplet wrapping around the connection. These teardrops not only improve the board's appearance, but also greatly enhance both electrical and mechanical reliability. To summarize, teardrops strengthen pad-to-trace connection and improve mechanical durability. They help optimize signal transmission by reducing impedance discontinuities, and they make your PCB look more professional and refined. So, after you finish your PCB layout and routing, don't forget to add teardrops as one of the final steps. It's a simple adjustment that can significantly improve the overall quality and stability of your board.